As Mickey and I reflect on 2023, the pages of Parrot Realty's journey tell a story of unprecedented success and resilience. Navigating a challenging market, we sold a home every 3 days with nearly $140 million sold in real estate transactions. In a year where many saw it as their toughest, we transformed adversity into triumph. By redefining success, we outsold every major brokerage in Parkland, making us the #1 selling team again in Parkland for 8 years in a row, proving that it's not about size, but just about being better. Our wings expanded beyond Parkland's boundaries, and we have been able to share amazing real estate experiences with our neighbors in Coral Springs, as I have become the #4 listing agent in the city. We didn't just sell homes. We shared wisdom, market insights, and captivating lifestyle videos. None of these achievements would be possible without you, our cherished clients, and the fellow agents, lenders, title companies, and collaborators who tirelessly worked to ensure the success of every single deal. We want to use our brand and exposure in order to give back to our local community. As a result, we have accomplished our philanthropic goals of raising tens of thousands of dollars for local charities this year, with our mindset of always giving back and being thankful for our perennial success. Our mission continues. Join us on this inspiring journey as we work even harder to make your dreams come true.
Yes, you go, boy.